Reshaping a surface on your site usually means a trip back to the office and desktop software. With WorksManager Pro, you can draft the line works, build the surface, and edit it right here. Let's create one. Here's our site. We already have the parcels and a building in the design, and now we want to shape the surface of this area. Let's start by turning on the 3D terrain. WorksManager combines the surveyed surface and the machine data into a live ground model to work over. To begin drafting, we open the Design's contextual menu and choose Edit. That drops us straight into editing mode, with the full set of drafting tools on the left. Now we draft the line works around the area. We place our first point, then our second, and pressing 1 turns the segment into a curve. We snap to the end, and our first line is complete. Next, we trace the outside of the road. Pressing 1 gives us an arc, and pressing 2 a straight line, so we can follow the real shape exactly, mixing curves and straights as we go. With the Join tool, we connect one line into the next to form a single continuous boundary. And if a curve isn't quite right, we can go back and edit it at any time. Then we drop in a point and add a few elevation spots. These give the surface the height information it needs. Now for the surface itself. We select our lines and points and choose Create Surface. We'll name it Grading Pad and give it a color. WorksManager picks up 7 points and 2 lines as the defining objects, and we can fine-tune that, removing a point we don't want. Finish, and the surface is generated. Editing is just as easy. We can change its color or click back in to add that point again. Toggle off the terrain, and our new surface clearly includes it. Best of all, the surface is dynamic. Edit a point, and it regenerates automatically to match the line work. Finally, we export. We can publish it as a surveyed surface, stamped with a date and time so it aggregates with the rest of your survey data, or as a design surface, stored as a reference in the project data. You can also download it locally. And that's how you create and edit surfaces in WorksManager. Drafting the line works, building the surface, refining it live, and exporting it wherever it needs to go. Thanks for watching.